Okay, I want to show a free little tutorial on how I add things to my Teresa Franklin planner. So I have my planner here and it comes with beautiful pages, and I often find that I love to add photos. I like to add things that really speak to me. So I wanted to show you, this is some quotes that are part of my vision board, and I just cut it in half to fit my Franklin planner. So what you would do then is you're going to take it, and so easy. There is a punch, but if you don't have a punch for your Franklin planner or another one, you're just going to take it. I line it up. You can see this is my coming week that I'm working on. Sundays are my day to plan, and I started working on this and I thought I'm just going to show. I actually went to the cabin this weekend with my grandkids, my two grandsons, and I took my Instax. You can see my photos here, and I want to show how to make your planner more into, to add your memories into it. If you are like me, I already have a photo here on this side. So look how simple this is. So this was my week, but I knew that for me, I wanted to be able to add photos here because today is the 23rd and I had such a great time with my grandson. So I do have my thoughts here. I love this and I wanted to add this, but I want to show how simple it is to add photos and memory keeping to just on the back of a plain paper. You can decide, especially if you have ring bound. So this is the one thing I love about the Teresa Franklin planner. I absolutely love this because I love telling the story. So this is, I'm going to use some stickers because I want to remember. I want to do 20, 22. I'm that girl, you guys. I just love, love, love. And if you're wanting to know what these are, I literally just bought these on Amazon. It's not a craft brand at all. I think I wanted to have something a little bold to remember. This is the year. I have these really cute photos, you guys. And so what I decided to do is this is my grandsons with me. And the hard part is for me to decide which of these 4 photos I want to add here. I could also just do the 2. And you know what? In fact, gosh, I can't decide which. This one was really cute. He told me he was learning how to smile. So I don't know which picture should I use, you guys. That's the hardest part, is deciding how and what. I just use my Instax. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to journal, which is something that I highly recommend. So I have my Teresa pen. And then what I would recommend is using your ruler. I have this. I'm going to leave some space for journaling. So that's what I'm going to put this here because that's going to be part of my memory planning. I found that if I do this, I'm going to be able to, I won't write so crazy because I do tend to write all over the place. So I've got my lines there to journal. And then when I put photos, it really depends on which photos, but because I'm just going to add these cute photos with my grandsons, I think I'm going to add these 2 and keep the other ones. I think this is really fun. Oh, look how, oh, you know what? That's both Beckett. I have to use one of my other grandsons too. Okay, up there you go. Where are you at, Cooper? Let's do, oh, we're going to do the one with his, this is so funny. He was like, Grandma, there we go. This has a little fun thing. So then what I recommend is whatever tape. I found that a double-sided tape tends to work a little bit better. And I'm doing this really fast. I'll probably add more to it, but I just want to show how simple it is to really to add to any planner. I think a lot of people go, well, what if I'm not traditionally just a planner? You can be anything you want. Your planner is for you. I keep my planners forever, you guys. So I wanted to just quickly show you how I can take this and make it completely look, I've got 2 photos here right in my planner. You can see I've got it. So here we go. And I'm just going to journal the weekend. Cooper, and Beckett. I found that if I talk too much when I'm journaling, I have been known to spell things a little crazy, and it's fun. And then I'm going to put okay, and there you have it.